Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us do one question of NPO where we are not having opening balance sheet clearly given in the question. How to solve such problem? Let us understand. Let us go through the question. With the information given below, prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet of Sudarshan Charitable Organization for the year ending 31st March 2012. Receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2012. Means your current year is 2011-12. Opening balance cash in hand 500. This is not recorded anywhere in accounts. Cash at bank opening balance will not be recorded anywhere. Subscriptions received 81,000. It includes 5,500 for 2009-10. That is of some previous year. So we are required to deduct this from income. Interest on investments 1,800. This will be recorded as income. Sale of furniture for 8,000, whereas book value is 10,000. Here there is a loss of 2,000. This loss will be recorded as expenditure. Book value 10,000 will be deducted from asset. Payments, salaries, expenditure. Printing and stationery, expenditure. Charity expenses, expenditure. Investment, this will be recorded as asset. Office expenses, expenditure. Closing balance of cash 700, bank 10,100. This will be recorded in new balance sheet as asset. Additional information. There are 800 members paying annual subscription of 100 each. So total subscription earned during the year by NPO is rupees 80,000. This should be recorded as clear income of NPO for the period. Outstanding salary 2,000. This will be added on expenditure side. Second effect, liabilities. The assets on 1st April 2012 were as follows. Furniture 40,000. Investment 20,000 asset. And land 1 lakh. This will be recorded in new balance sheet as it is. Of this there is on 1st April 2012, capital fund was 2,05,500. This will be recorded as liability. Let us start with items of opening balance sheet. Here they are given as on 1st April. Balances are furniture 40,000, investment 20,000, land 1 lakh. On asset side, we have first item furniture 40,000. Investments 20,000. Land 1 lakh. On 1st April, capital fund is 2,05,500. This will be recorded as opening balance of capital fund on liability side. On liability side, we have capital fund now 2,05,500. Let us go through receipts and payment account. On receipt side, first item is opening cash balance. Next is opening bank balance. These are not recorded anywhere in accounts. Total subscription amount received is 81,000. Total amount of subscription received 81,000. It includes 5,500 for 2009-10, that is for previous year. So less received for 2009-10, 5,500. So it is now 75,500. There are 800 members paying annual subscription of rupees 100 each. So 800 multiplied by 100, it is 80,000. So total subscription earned by NPO for a particular period year is 80,000. Here we have received only 75,500 for the current year. So difference is receivable, that is 4,500. This amount of 4,500 is a balancing figure. Difference. This 4,500 will have another effect in new balance sheet on asset side. Outstanding subscription 4,500. Interest on investments 1,800. By interest on investments 1,800. Continue. Sale of furniture for rupees 8,000 having book value 10,000. This book value 10,000 will be deducted from asset. Balance furniture is 30,000. On this sale, there is a loss of 2,000. This will be recorded as expenditure. To loss on sale of furniture 2,000. Now look at payment side. Salary is 18,000. This will be recorded as expenditure. There is adjustment on this. We are recorded in inner column 18,000. Printing and stationery 20,000. This will be recorded as expenditure. To printing and stationery 20,000. Charity expenses 20,000. This will be recorded as expenditure 20,000. Next, purchase of investments 60,000. Purchase of new investments added over here. Total investments are now 80,000. Office expenses 2,000. This will be recorded as expenditure. Office expenses 2,000. Closing balance of cash 700. Closing balance of bank 10,100. This will be recorded as asset. Cash in hand 700. Cash at bank 10,100. Let us go through adjustments. There are 800 members paying annual subscription rupees 100 each. We have already taken care of this adjustment. Outstanding salary 2,000. This will be added to expenditures. Outstanding salary is added 2,000, so it has become now 20,000. Outstanding salary, another effect, liabilities 2,000. Third adjustment is about the information of opening balances of assets. We already recorded an opening balance of capital fund, which is also already recorded. Let us close now income and expenditure account and then balance sheet. We have closed income and expenditure account. We are getting balancing figure on debit side 17,800. This is excess of income over expenditure. This will be called as surplus. It will be added to capital fund. We have added surplus to capital fund. We got 2,23,300 as closing balance of capital fund. We have closed liability side and asset side. Total we are getting 2,25,300. Balance sheet is tallied. In this question, we learn how to do final accounts of NPO when opening balance sheet information is not clearly given, but it is given as a adjustment below receipts and payment account. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda. Subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.